Hey, now it's Night with flippingelectronics.com. By now, you've probably heard of the eBay glitch fiasco where all the clothing sellers, every clothing item is missing item specifics. And that means for anybody, somebody done effed up at eBay. For everybody who has 100 listings, 300 listings, 500,000, 2,500 clothing items in their eBay store, they're going to have to spend all day redoing all of their listings, adding the new item specifics. I'm talking measurements, sizes, colors, everything. I can't imagine driving around to thrift store after thrift store, going to garage sales, buying people's nasty, dirty, used clothing, taking it all home, covering my entire home in people's used trash, death piles everywhere, and then having to take it all out one by one, put it on a freaking mannequin, take pictures, measure everything, take 12 plus pictures to post on eBay, measure everything out, get the right size, make sure everything's measured to the correct size, because vintage clothes, I know this, vintage clothes are different than modern clothes, and listing each item painstakingly one by one. You don't gotta work that hard. How about doing what I do, making ads so people come and bring you stuff. People bring me items. I just chill at home all day in my silk robe. People are bringing me items. Awesome used and new, mostly new sealed electronics. I make one listing 2 or 3 years ago on eBay. I sell the same item, the same exact item, 30 of the same item on the same listing on eBay, or even better yet, sending that stuff to Amazon so that Amazon will do all the work for me. It's easy. Come on, guys. flippingelectronics.com. Get yourself out of these good situations. I don't know if it's the age of my account or the amount that I sell or the fact that I've got eBay people messaging me, emailing me, making sure that I have certain items in stock so that they can do a promotion with my store only included. Have you ever seen those eBay stores, those eBay promotions, and it says that only these 30 stores are part of this promotion? I've been part of those at least twice. I've been planning on making a video about that, but I just can't show the email or can't show the email address of the people that messaged me. Anyways, flippingelectronics.com. flippingelectronics.com. Come on, guys. flippingelectronics.com.